Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Zen Space for focusing on your OnePlus 15R smartphone. Zen Space is a pre-installed application that is available straight in the apps menu at the very bottom. Open Zen Space, tap Get Started, allow it to send you notifications, then select the duration for it. To change the duration, tap on the tile and then select either one of the preset durations or customized one. To use customized, use this wheel to select the time by which you want to expand your Zen time. And to start the Zen time, and also you can adjust the immersion here. The background here, you can choose immersion, frontier, or collision styles. And tap done and tap start. Allow the access to your calendar, tap OK, and then click OK, click start. And right now, after 5 seconds of waiting, the Zen mode will be enabled. Well, once it's enabled, you cannot exit it. So for 1 minute, you will not be able to access your device. And this mode will help you focus on your tasks and put your phone away during some important work. And so that's how you enable it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.